When I first started making Amapiano, it was hard for me until I found this. I used to start my beat with melody. Once I switched to start with drums, making Amapiano become so easy. If you are someone who is struggling to make Amapiano beat, this video is exactly for you. I'm gonna show you how to make bouncy drum that's gonna help you start making your Amapiano beat faster. So let's have some fun. First thing, set up our tempo. Let's go with 113. There are some hi-hat that I want to use. I'll use this one first, but let's make sure that it sounds sharper. I want it to snap chop, just like that, like, and maybe a kick. There is a kick that I love using from the kabza drum kit. It's a little bit too long. Let's go with this. That's our drum pattern. Pretty simple like that. So one thing we can do, let's make sure that everything go to 4 bars. I want to add a percussion pattern. This one is gonna be layer underneath of it, and then now make sure that the gain of each element is perfect. That sounds good already, but we can make it sound even much more interesting. Let's add some percussion. I think I'm gonna go with this one right there. Go. Add this right there. That's it. Now we lower the kick a little bit. When creating Amapiano, you have to at least create 2 drum patterns. The first one is gonna be for your intro, the verse, and then the second one is gonna be for your drop. And the second one will for sure has some snares in it. That's gonna bring the vibe and then make people dance more. So for now, I think we can add a bass just to continue to build the instrumental. So I think I'm gonna go with the preset. Let me go with smoothie. And then we go boom, boom, boom. Dun, dun, dun. Now I wanna combine this bass with 2 log drum preset. I think I'm gonna go with this. Let's go with this first. And this one, I think we can make it sound a little bit different. And then maybe we can add another one here. Yeah, I think I like it. I like it. I wanna add this, so let's just comment C, comment V, and then we see. And now we have. Okay, that sounds good. And we can now add the first melody. Let's say that we add a slow synth. Let's use purity preset. We go to the slow synth and let's use the sonar. Let's try this to see. Now guys, it's time to add our first melody. I selected the metal butterfly preset. We play a little bit with the cutoff, and then now we are going to create something like maybe like okay, something like that. Okay, maybe here. Okay, we are gonna try to combine this with another instrument. Maybe we use Nexus, and then we create something that give us some call and response vibe. Now we go to the old factory and we go to lead. Let's see what we can find. Lead, and then okay, let's use this one. Something like that. We can make this shorter. Maybe we can add something that add more movement to the last bar. I think we can go with transgate. We need something that add really more movement. There is a preset called viral. I think viral it was in maybe arpeggiator. Okay, this one. I don't think I love this one. Maybe we can change it. Maybe. I love this one. This one sounds. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I love it. I love it. Guys, I think I have to work on my studio acoustic because the acoustic is crazy. I really need to work on this studio acoustic. Let me just do a little arrangement real quick. I think I'm gonna have this right there. We start with that. Okay, make this one unique. And then on this one, we are going to keep only the drum. And On this one, we copy the log drum, we insert one. This is our bass. Boom. Low end. Let's take this one here. I'm gonna start the log drum right here. And also, let's see what else we are gonna do. We can split those by channel. Let's rename them. This is our lead. This is slow synth. And this is the arpeggiator. Let's split them by channel, and then we can do whatever we want with them now. Command B. Boom. Okay, we can do that. And then we will move this way. I messed up with this. And we can remove this one. Have this, the next thing I think I'm gonna do is that after this part right there, I can create a cool chord progression, or I can just go and then create the bounce, like a crazy bounce, and then after I create a cool chord progression so the beat can slow down, and then we start with the vibe. You can see how easy it is to start with your drum, and then the vibe is gonna come naturally. So yeah, that's it. What do I have on this right there? The perk drive. Let's remove this right here. Okay, that's it, guys. This is the best way to start creating your Amapiano instrumental. Yeah, now let me let you enjoy the vibe.
Purchase your
So that's it, guys. This is how easy it is when you start your Amapiano beat with drum and sound fire. I love it. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to create a tutorial where I'm completing this instrumental. If you have questions, leave a comment down below, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.